today we are having another makeup review. We have the Issy & Co. Blush Collection. So we have the full collection here. Ito yung PR package nila. And we have 10 shades. We have here 10 different shades of blush. And I'm very excited for this because I love yung bronzers na nilabas nila. I think the formula is like perfect for me, for my skin, perfect for the Philippine weather kasi although super creamy nila, very lightweight sila na hindi sila nahuhulas sa face mo kahit na matagal na sila dyan. This is probably my most best bronzer that I've ever tried kasi ito pa lang yung bronzer ever in my life na nagamit ko tuwing nagbe-makeup ako. Like, wala siyang alternative. Gets nyo yun? So anyway, I love the bronzers and I super love Issy & Co. Sobrang daling gamitin ng products nila. Like, Issy & Co. makes your life easy. I think that's beauty made easy, di ba? So, the blushes is 349 pesos each. Cream Cheek Blush, Soft Touch Melty Blush. Silky Smooth Blush creates a youthful and healthy complexion with a natural finish. With Japanese Camellia Seed Oil, Meadow Foam Seed Oil. Okay, moisturize, antioxidant, and everything. Okay, let's go. So again, we have 10 shades and I'm gonna swatch everything. So we are starting with Gold Digger. Oh no! So this is what the packaging looks like. We have the first shade, yung Gold Digger. You have the blush right there and meron siyang mirror dito and it says no fast flush. So, tatanggalin mo lang to. Very satisfying. And I super love na ganyan yung cover nila. Meron siyang something dito. Kasi, you know, kapag meron kang bagong mga ganito, tapos may mirror, tapos sobrang hirap tanggalin nung film. Actually, mahirap pa rin tanggalin because yung nails ko, ang haba, hindi ako sanay ng mga habang nails, no? Meron siyang gold flecks. Anyway, we have here Gold Digger. Love the shade. Parang medyo bagay to kapag summer. Medyo bronzy, orangey red shade. Wow! Look at this. This is the shade Karma. It's like a plum pink shade. Sobrang, wow! Pigmented, sis. Pigmented. At sobrang dali niyang i-blend. Kita nyo? Nagbe-blend siya agad sa skin. And I would actually use this, kunyari sa mga night outs or kapag masyadong gabi, mga events, mga glam makeup looks, doon ko siya magagamit. Sobrang ganda na pagka-pink niya. This is parang elegant, sophisticated type of shade. I'm actually shocked na 10 shades yung nilabas nila because usually nilalabas lang ng mga brands, mga 5, mga ganon. Pero sila, no. We're gonna go all the way. Labas tayo ng 10. Next up, we have here Safe Word. Oh my gosh! Look at the shade! Sobrang subtle na parang peachy pink nude shade. Wow! Okay, first of all, sana bumagay siya sa akin because I feel like, oh my God! So, I'm gonna put this aside. Here. I'm sorry ha, first time ko lang ulit mag-film nang walang desk sa harap ko na ganyan background. So, pasensya na kayo, nandyan lahat ng kalat ko sa likod. Next, we have the shade in Baby... Baby Girl! Baby Girl, I love this. Para siyang Barbie pink. Pero hindi siya super Barbie pink. Para siyang a little muted Barbie pink shade. Hala! Into this color pa naman ako. Oh my God! I love this. I love this. Try ko to later. Hala, hindi ko na alam kung anong... Anyway, she's staying there sa likod. Okay, next. Savage. Ay, meron pala siyang description sa likod. Di ko binabasa. This is a smoked rosy. Ang hirap magbukas ang haba ng nails ko. Di pa ako sanay. Wow. Oh, wow. We have here Savage. Look at the shade. Sobrang elegant and sophisticated type of red. This is the swatch and I don't see myself using this pero sobrang ganda niya. Very interesting name. We have here interesting color din siya. This is Red Light. Look, this is a bold, fiery red shade. I am not malakas ang loob to wear this. But still, naglagay sila ng ganitong shade sa collection like bold red. This is not usually the shade that I would use, pero it's nice na naglabas sila ng red kasi usually walang nilalabas na ganitong red na shade sa mga blushes, laging pinks and mauves. Next up, we have Bang. Oh, wow. Guys, this is a radiant soft rose shade. This is called Bang. Feeling ko hindi bagay sa kanya yung shade niya just because pag inisip mo Bang, iniisip mo nasa mga plum red shade. Pero kung iisipin mo rin na bang yung kulay niya, bagay din sa kanya yung pangalan niya. Naguguluhan ako. Sobrang ganda ng shade, guys. I love it. Wow. Look at her, guys. Pwede itong maging bronzer at the same time. Kung medyo lighter yung skin nyo, compare sa akin, pwede rin itong maging parang blush bronzer. Uso yun ngayon. Yung ginagawa mo na rin bronzer, yung... Ang daming B words. Kung gagawin mong bronzer yung blush mo, uso yun ngayon, you can use this. Next shade, we have Criminal. This is a sun-kissed hot coral shade. Wow. Sobrang coral niya, sis. So, swatching her, wow. Oh my gosh. Next, we have the shade Strip. Look at this. It's a warm biscuit tan. Actually, pwede na rin tong bronzer, sis, if you would like it to be a bronzer. Look. Wow! So, ayan, pinagtabi ko sila. Medyo warm tone to masyado. Medyo may reddish tone siya. Ito yung Strip. And we have here yung Blaze na bronzer talaga. Last shade natin for this collection ay ito, sis. This is the shade Milkshake. This is a cool tone pink. This is the Barbie pink that I was looking for. But I guess it's too light. Feeling ko too light siya para sa skin tone ko. At saka too cool toned. But still, grabe. First of all, shade range, sobrang layo, okay? Sobrang layo ng mga shades. And maganda kasi yon pagdating sa mga blush. Syempre, sa foundation, hindi maganda yon. Pero pagdating sa blush, ang dami mong pagpipilian. So, we are down with these two shades kung ano yung gagamitin ko today. We have here Baby Girl and this is the Safe Word. Punta muna tayo dito kay Safe Word para light lang. And kapag di natin siya nagustuhan, patungan natin ito, okay? So, I'm just gonna use my finger, ring finger dito sa side ng face ko. Tignan natin kung madali ba siyang i-blend sa mismong skin. I have the Blurfection Skin Tint sa ilalim. So, meron akong base product dyan. Love it using the fingers. My thing kasi, okay, my thing about blushes and using fingers sa pag-apply ng blush, may mga blush kasi na nagtitint sa skin mo, na kapag nilagay mo siya, tapos binlend mo na gano'n, nagpapatchy siya when you use the fingers. So, mas okay talaga akong gumamit ng blush all the time. Pagdating sa, wow, mali yung sinabi ko, pero wow, ang ganda ng shade. Very delicate lang siya, oh. But anyway, sinasabi ko, nagkamali ako. Gumagamit ako ng brush sa pag-apply ng blush. Okay. Sobrang fresh. Fresh yarn. Anyway, next, dito sa kabilang side, maglalagay tayo using a brush. Pag brush kasi, I feel like sobrang concentrated nung blush na nalalagay mo siya kung saan mo talaga siya gustong malagay. With fingers kasi parang ganun ka lang ng ganun sa skin mo. So, kumakalat lang siya dyan. With if you can remember, yung mga past cream blushes na ginamit ko, if you watch my videos, nagpapatong ako ng blush talaga. Like, lighter shade and then darker shade. Hindi ko alam kung anong, hindi ko maisip kung ano yung exact word, pero yung deeper shade. But anyway, you mas pink. Okay? So, we're gonna use the Baby Girl. This is a true classic lilac. Hindi ko nasabi sa inyo kanina. Ang sabi ko kanina, parang Barbie pink na muted. Anyway, lalagay lang tayo ng sobrang konti lang just to pop the cheeks. Kasi, although ang cute ko ngayon, gusto kong mas pack pa yung cheeks ko. So, gonna apply it here. Kita nyo ba yung difference? I don't think so. Pero may difference siya. Mas naging pink to and I love it. Okay? Ayaw ko naman kasi gumamit ng dark pink all over. Parang gusto ko meron siyang ombre or meron siyang transition shade. Arte, pati sa blush, may transition shade. transition shade. I don't think there's any other words to say kung gaano ko to kamahal. Kamahal? Invested yan? Hindi, kasi ang ganda kasi ng formula. And my thing kasi, gusto ko yung mga gandong creamy formula kesa sa powder. The only thing that we have to check dito sa blush na to ay ang kanyang longevity. Right now, it's 2:39 p.m. and sobrang dami kong ginagawa today to the point na nakapag-film na ako ng 2 videos, nakapaglaban na ako, hindi ko pa pala nasasapay nilabhan ko, nakapagluto na ako, nakapagsaing na ako, maglilinis ako. Okay, it's Sunday, it's my cleaning day and also my content day. So sobrang dami kong ginagawa today at malamang sa malamang mahuhulas to later. Hi guys! So update dun sa blush, 8 p.m. na and still andyan pa rin siya sa cheeks ko. Look! Wala na tayong professional lights. Wala na yung lighting na ginamit ko kanina. But andyan pa rin siya sa cheeks ko. Sobrang tagal at pinagpawisan na talaga ako today. Kung napanood nyo rin yung review ko dun sa skin tint ng Vice Cosmetics, ito rin yun. Ito rin yung update ko dun. Sobrang ganda. Andyan pa rin siya. So, it's very long lasting. So, in conclusion, itong blush na to, Jai, sobrang sulit ng pera mo dito. Sobrang ganda ng shades. I love nga na sobrang dami ng shades nila. Nag-launch sila ng 10 iba't ibang shade range, iba't ibang undertones. I love that about this blush. And ang long-lasting niya! Sobrang dali niya i-blend. Sobrang fresh ng skin. Pag nilagay mo siya, like, nakaka-glow talaga siya. So, I highly recommend this blush to you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know kung na-try nyo rin ba yung bronzer and how, kung nagustuhan nyo ba siya and everything. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you on my next one. Bye!